Okay, now let's do some activities, okay, with what you studied with regarding your first alphabet, that is S. So shall we do some activities, children? Yes, come on. So now we have, okay, here it's, now we need to click out the pictures or listen and tick the word, okay. Now you have pictures over here. Now your alphabet, what you learned today, your first letter is S and your sound is S, right? Now we need to see all these pictures. We should go through all these pictures and we will cross out, okay, we will cross out or we will tick the picture which is starting with your letter S and your sound S. Are you ready? Now the first one is a duck. Can you hear it as S over there? No, it's duck, isn't it? It's not S. You cannot hear a sound as S, okay? You cannot hear, so it's duck. So should we tick it, children? No, you're not supposed to tick it. Now your next picture is snail. What sound can you hear? What is the sound? Yes, you can hear a sound S, right? So this is the word or this snail, this picture, it starts with the letter S and the sound is S. So what are we supposed to do? We are going to tick it. Okay. Now next one, you have a ant. You have an ant. Ant. Can you hear the S sound over there for that word? No. Now next one, sun. Yes, what is the sound that you can hear? Sun. Right. S. So it is S sound. So we shall mark it. So sun is marked. Okay. Now next one, we have a scarf. So what's the sound again? Scarf. What is the word? Scarf. So what is the sound now that you can hear? S, right? So shall we mark it? Yes or no? Yes, we shall mark it. S. Okay. Now next one, you can see a picture of a face which is sad. What face is this? It's a sad. What face? Yes, sad. So what is the sound? S. So you know the alphabet, the letter and the word over here, it's starting with the alphabet is S, right? So S. Shall we mark it? Next you have some bananas. Yes, banana. Can you hear a S sound there? No. So it's not starting with S. Next one, cloud. Is it starting with S? Cloud. No. Next one, fish. Can you hear a Z sound over there? No. It's just fish. Next one, school. What is the sound you can hear? School. Yes, can you hear S sound? So you need to mark it right. Okay. Next one, spider. What is the word? Spider. Now, can you tell me, children, what is the sound over there? Can you also try to say the word spider? Yes, it is S. So shall we mark it? Yes, you mark it right. Now, what are the words? It is snail, sun, scarf, sad, school and spider. All these words you can listen, you can hear the S sound, correct?